Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming who owns the character and why you want to use it. Once done, check Sora's content and distribution rules and any publisher licensing notes. Next, choose the correct use category, personal, educational, or commercial, because this determines permissions needed. Make sure to document where the character appears, the format, and distribution scope. You'll use this information in the next steps to request permission or structure a fair use argument. You now craft and send a concise permission request to the rights holder, explaining how the character will appear on Sora, audience size, and monetization. Once submitted, follow up and ask for a written license that lists term, territory, and any fees or attribution requirements. If you don't get permission, make sure to build a strong transformative fair use rationale. Explain changes, purpose, and minimal market impact. Keep records of all correspondence and receipts to protect yourself later. You publish to Sora only after attaching the agreed license text and clear credits in metadata. Once live, monitor downloads, reader feedback, and any takedown notices from the rights holder. If you receive a notice, respond immediately with your license or permission evidence. If you lack proof, take the content down to avoid penalties. One key troubleshooting tip: keep a single, time-stamped permissions folder. It's the fastest way to resolve disputes and reinstate your content.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.